What's going on, guys? Alex here and welcome back to the channel. So today, like I mentioned, we've got the new Golf R. So I will do a full garage update at some point, but we'll save that for possibly the next video. As still got a couple of more changes coming, but we did have the grey Golf R, but changed that. So it was a 17 plate, it was a Mk7 3-door manual. This one's 5-door automatic 2020. So newer car, it's got all the interior, everything that I wanted. But yeah, I just love this car. It's great. It's like my S3 was, but I think I'm going to enjoy this one a bit more. So basically today's video is we're going to do some Vagcom stuff on it. So the Golfs and, well, a lot of the new cars have got what some people call a sound symposer, but on this it's called a Soundaktor. Basically it's where you've got like a little thing down in here, just behind the scuttle, that sort of like vibrates and resonates and like adds cabin sound instead of like exhaust note. So it does my head in. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn that off. You can do a couple of different things. You can remove the scuttle panel, unplug it, but then like it might throw up faults. But what we're going to do is we're going to use the Vagcom. We're going to code it out. So I'll input some clips of the beforehand here, where you can see what it sounds like in normal, and then race, like when you put it in race is when the Soundaktor kicks in. So we're going to code that out, and then we're going to code out a couple of other things. So I'll show you how to do all of that stuff as well, because it's quite handy to know. And yeah, let's just get to it. So driving along normally, there's no extra sound, but when we put the car into race mode is when the Soundaktor comes in. So hopefully you can hear that. It just sort of adds that sort of extra grumble that comes from like the windscreen area, and it's just fake and annoying. And yeah, so by turning off the Soundaktor we sort of then lose that, which would be the ideal thing. As I had it on the previous Golf we had as well, was when I went for the resonator delete, that made it drone like hell for some reason in here. So anytime it went into race mode or like the flaps opened or anything like that, it was just that grunt. It's just fake, because it's all in here. Nothing's coming out the back. So yeah, it's just annoying. I mean, some people might like it, but I'm definitely not for it, and especially with an exhaust on the way, we don't need that. So I'm going to turn it off completely using the Vagcom, and then yeah, we'll go out, do this again, and hopefully it'll have worked a treat. So in typical luck, the clip where we sort of showed how to get to the Vagcom bit for the Soundaktor decided to not want to exist anymore. So I've only got the last bit, but basically you plug it in, boot up the Vagcom, and basically to get to where the Soundaktor is, you go from the main menu, you search / go to A9, so the structure born sound, choose adaptation 10, then at channel you drop down like the little drop down box, you choose volume of structure born noise actuator. It's the only choice there, so it's the only one that you can pick, and that is the volume of the Soundaktor. So from factory it's at 100, so full volume. You can turn it to whatever you want, but I set it to 0, as you'll see in the next clip, as that will then just like turn it off completely. And there we go. That's normally at 100%, which gives all the sound coming up from up there. So set it down to 0%, and hopefully that should be the Soundaktor silenced, which we'll test in a bit. Right, so now going between race and normal, we don't have that annoying Soundaktor like playing in. So at least that coding worked, and it's done exactly what I needed it to. So it is amazing. But that's not the only thing that we're going to be doing with the car. So the next video is going to be the exhaust system, which is going to be great, because the car sounds good, but it can always sound better, which is what's going to be coming next. So hope you guys have enjoyed this short video. and make sure to subscribe, because the next one we are going to be installing the Cobra non-resonated valve catback system, or GPF back, whatever it's called. We're fitting that one. So yeah, make sure to subscribe and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.